Hello friends, today we study the metabolism of polysaccharides and disaccharides. For most humans, starch is the major source of carbohydrates in the diet. Digestion begins in the mouth where alpha amylase hydrolyzes the internal glycosidic linkages of starch, producing short polysaccharide fragments or oligosaccharides. In the stomach, salivary alpha amylase is inactivated by the low pH, but a second form of alpha amylase secreted by the pancreas into the small intestine continues the breakdown process. Pancreatic alpha amylase yields mainly maltose and maltotriose and oligosaccharides called limit dextrins. Fragments of amylopectin, maltose, and dextrins are degraded by enzymes of intestinal brush border. Dietary glycogen has essentially the same structure as starch and its digestion proceeds by the same pathway. Disaccharides must be hydrolyzed to monosaccharides before entering cells. Intestinal disaccharides and dextrins are hydrolyzed by enzymes attached to the outer surface of intestinal epithelial cells. The monosaccharides so formed are actively transported into the epithelial cells, then pass into the blood to be carried to various tissues where they are phosphorylated and funneled into the glycolytic sequence. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thanks for watching.